Good morning, dear student. We were discussing about law of mass action. Clear? Law of mass action. This law of mass action was given by Cato Gullberg and Peter Vage. They studied a large number of reactions, and they found that rate of reaction or speed of the reaction with which reactants are converted into product is directly proportional to the product of the concentration of reactant. ठीक है, काफ़ी सारे रिएक्शंस पर स्टडी करने के बाद उन्होंने ये पाया कि रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन, किसी केमिकल रिएक्शन का रेट या स्पीड जो है, ठीक है, वो उसके रिएक्टेंट के कंसंट्रेशन के गुणनफल पर डायरेक्टली डिपेंड करता है. क्लियर? सो फॉर अ जनरल रिएक्शन, लुक एट द वर्ड, फॉर अ जनरल रिएक्शन A plus B, let us suppose we have two reactant A and B. So see, consider a general reaction A plus B giving product. Here two reactant A and B, these are reacting and forming a product. Then according to law of mass action, if we apply the law of mass action, then according to law of mass action, rate or speed of the reaction with which these reactant will convert into product, that rate will directly proportional, will depend directly on product will multiply product of concentration of both the reactant. These brackets represent concentration. So according to law of mass action, rate of reaction or speed of reaction will depend directly on the product of concentration of both the reactant. Clear? In next step we can write or rate, if we replace this proportionality sign with proportionality sign by equal, उसको अगर हटा के हम लोग इक्वल करते हैं, then on right hand side we multiply with a constant which is k, then we can write rate equal to k into concentration of A into B, where this k stand for rate constant. k जो है ये रेट कांस्टेंट के नाम से जाना जाता है, k is called rate constant. Clear? Now here is important definition of rate constant. Rate constant, definition of rate constant, see it is important. Then now if we consider that during the reaction concentration of both the reactant A and B, if we take 1 mole per liter, please pay attention, once again I repeat, if the concentration of both the reactant is taken to be unity means 1 mole per liter. Sorry. Then see, when concentration of A equal to concentration of B, concentration of both are equal to 1 mole per liter, that is unity 1, then in such a case, see, from this equation rate will be equal to K into concentration of A into concentration of B, we have taken 1, so rate will become equal to rate constant K. From here we get the definition of rate constant. How rate constant may be defined as? Rate constant, see, rate constant becomes equal to rate of reaction. Rate constant जो है rate of reaction के बराबर हो जाता है, speed of the reaction के बराबर हो जाता है. कब? अगर सभी रिएक्टिंग स्पीसीज के, सभी रिएक्टेंट का कंसंट्रेशन कितना हो? 1 मोल पर लीटर. क्लियर? सो डिफिनेशन ऑफ रेट कांस्टेंट K, it is important. See, rate constant K, how can we define? We can define it, it is numerically equal. ये न्यूमेरिकली इक्वल हो जाता है रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन के. इट इज न्यूमेरिकली इक्वल्स टू द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन. ये रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन के बराबर हो जाता है when concentration of each reacting species, हर एक रिएक्टेंट का कंसंट्रेशन इज टेकन टू बी यूनिटी, दैट इज 1 मोल पर लीटर. अगर सभी रिएक्टिंग स्पीसीज का कंसंट्रेशन 1 मोल पर लीटर हो, इफ इट इज टेकन टू बी यूनिटी, देन ऐसी स्थिति में जो रेट कांस्टेंट होगा दैट विल बिकम इक्वल टू द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन. क्लियर?